the English language is much too limited. The English language is much too limited. Make up shit. To the bang, to the boogie, set up, jump the boogie to the rhythm of the boogie to beat. High tech in the back with the classical tracks, making suckers obsolete. Now everybody,
I bet you those are not reaches, got African features. We deep your ass, got the energy level with swine eaters. Undercovers like dresses of Vatican leaders. Heaters make little niggas bigger and we good bleeders. Ignore natural laws, hardcore with your walk. Behind closed doors, you really softer than pillow talk. The only tool you got is your own from Apex Tech. You faker than latex and simulated sex. They emulate, I'm on that next shit. They try to spy, shit don't fit like True Lies and Blue Eyes and Malcolm X. The only checks you get is on your Nike kicks with the pleasure and bullshit, and you sound like a dick. Don't come at me like that, man. You fucking up my high. Make me get ill like spy versus spy. Look out, it's Talib Kweli, Esquire. Entire mind state I be in this empire. Hitting trees, sitting on top of trees to feel higher. I turn the best MCs into good triers. Niggas hesitating on signing me cause they knows if they promote the truth, then the devil is exposed. Pose contracts will save our souls like evangelists. Nothing spiritual, handle this business is scandalous. Whose fault is it that you avoid the issues and the flavors in your creative juices is artificial? Martin Luther King had a dream about us, so be out of town by dusk or be blown away like dust. Hovering over cities like pigeons or rats with wings. 96, Nostradamus, I'm predicting things before they happening. You'll remember me, my psychology's analogies, infinity.
I serve proverbs, multiply and adverbs. Pages for mad words.
We walking the globe, talking cold. They made up gravity. When me and Kent send out the nose on, I'm most high. We make the sky unfold. The sun holds heat when human souls turn cold in the streets. Gotta compete to get your eats. Little shepherd boy, yo, don't fuck with the sheep. I'm tending to mine, and what's mine is universal. Only reason you exist, cause the most high insists. My demons all screaming, burn that ass to a crisp. Got people giving praises to Schindler's List. This ain't phases. They digging up holes outside of Vegas casinos full of aces. I visited niggas' places and seen little money green devils on their faces. Calves taking niggas on scenic pussy chases and hoes. Selling leg with the nerve to be racist, no lie. They got pussy you buy, that ain't gracious. My notation got a mirage for location. Seen the sparkle and the gleam from the beam like a dream. Make the unreal scene when you climb inside screens. Contusions, too much move will make you come to conclusions. Catastrophical minus optical illusions. Mission is possible through logical confusion. Doom the intrusion. You never saw fusion till you vision my syllable vision. Yeah, particles are like these articles I write. Centrifugal and typical life like biblical types. I serve proverbs, multiply and adverbs. Empty pages for mad words.
I serve proverbs, multiply and adverbs. Empty pages for mad words. I serve proverbs, multiply and adverbs. Empty pages for mad words.
As I release my instructional mics, begin to bend. I expedite life genetically formed into a pen. My execution and thought methods control my every goal. Contact the soul, what I invent to be the top soul. Off top, fuck the soft hopper, false cops. I'm Lord Spiritual, planner of the lost crops. Once inside, I use my strength to fight the light bearer. Abduct his third and leave Osiris with a nightmare. Conducted principles that boldly go and fight terror. With my insight, no logistics that I write are errors. I build lines that excavate minds throughout the late times. My praise of God directs my great rhymes as stakes climb. I used to make dimes and shape crimes until my first loyal deal. I moved away fine outside the state lines. To reincarnate like Stargate, pyramids jar my faith. That reserves hit bizarre rate. In 4 days, the mob car shakes. Follows the DEA, plus they lose the cops' car breaks in hard states.
I serve proverbs, multiply and adverbs. Empty pages for mad words. I serve proverbs, multiply and
Adverbs, empty pages for mad words. I serve proverbs, multiply and adverbs. Empty pages for mad words.
I serve proverbs, multiply and adverbs. Empty pages for mad words.
Multiplying and addition. Yeah, 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 yeah. Got me flow, yeah, yeah, yeah.
make stars collapse like black holes. Unconscious MCs is disaster time. When my raps make stars collapse like black holes. Unconscious MCs is disaster time. When my raps make stars collapse like black holes. Unconscious MCs is disaster time. When my raps make stars collapse like black holes.
Time for the best part, executive art, collect marks and check charts. In the decks with text bark, we protect hearts. Roam the earth in fresh clarks, upset narcs. Steal the cars with deck smarts, hitting 21s. Bullet shells from miniguns. Move camp circular, opposite meridians. Combine minds and take time, cross the date line. Face crimes and chase fines where they lace dimes. I hate snakes, erase my mistakes. Break weights and get set straight like 8 cakes. Vacate, my crew wake, bake to shake breaks. Make dates, perform around stage flow like the Great
You know the
Lakes.
shame is people walk the planet Earth
Aimless,
unconscious,
blameless,
fatherless,
nameless,
raised in a
strangers,
arms of the
dangerous,
torn by the
rich,
and alone by the
famous.
sweet melodic. Getting beached like exotic freaks on the beach by my cottage. Making sure the secrets of the sands be the hottest. The secrets of the man be abolished. Peep it. Secrets of the land be the knowledge. Don't acknowledge the truth and get demolished. I'm bulletproof and well polished. Flow from gas, liquid to solid. Some scientific shit, but I forget what they call it. Humble but modest. Way out like Mark Shot is dead on, but played dead wrong like Craig Hodges. Was dropping verses when the heavens was earthless. When souls had purpose and gold fast was worthless. When man was dirtless before land and surface. Underground before the devil had his hand in churches. Diseases and curses, pre-doctors and nurses. Pre-legal searches before people was purchased. Now I stand in person before fans and serpents. Cool clans that'll buy and sell bands as merchants. They unconscious.
Unconscious MCs is disaster time. When my raps make stars collapse like black holes. Unconscious MCs is disaster time. When my raps make stars collapse like black holes. Disaster time. When my raps make stars collapse like black holes. Unconscious MCs is disaster time. When my raps make stars collapse like black holes.
You know the shame is
people walk the planet Earth
aimless,
unconscious,
blameless,
fatherless,
nameless,
raised in a
strangers,
arms of the
dangerous,
torn by the
rich,
and alone by the
famous.
You know the shame is people walk the planet Earth
aimless,
unconscious,
blameless,
fatherless,
nameless,
raised in a
strangers,
arms of the
dangerous,
torn by the
rich,
and alone by the
famous.
Transmitting through the lyrical. Spiritual.
From the outskirts, we send the devil straight into emotional outbursts. We recognize first and foremost, most of y'all walk around here comatose. Yeah. From the outskirts, we send the devil straight into emotional outbursts. We recognize first and foremost, most of y'all walk around here comatose.
You should fear this motion detector on your spirit. Don't stand near it, might possess it with my lyrics. Here it's S-I-K-O, formed like NATO. For old school cravers, I bring flavors like Fago, but not pop. I got poor like a Knox on a whack. Finish your move, my crew change the drags. I be ripping arms off a shoulder. No plans for tomorrow, cause the fucking world's over. Live for today, the whole planet's disarray. Devils up in space trying to find a place to stay. Evacuate Earth, red alert. My mouth so filthy, cause God made us real niggas out of dirt. And what's worse, I snatch mics like a purse, put hoes in shirts. So deep it makes the soul hurt. Part my grammar, fuck the fame and glamour battle. Protect your neck from these niggas with the jackhammer. One in the chamber, one in the strange. Welcome to the hillside, home of the hillside strength. Skin tight, fat and thin like pinstripe. My tongue extends thrust, crush your windpipe. Cause zoom tight, darkness, no sun or moonlight. 40 days of rain and 39 nights of pain. Proceeded when I came, it hurt Mother Earth. Prior to me being born, she had birth pains. Everything is written in the cold. I attack infected
tracks like golden seals. But when I stack, I react like I'm folding meals. Crazy stepping, my arsenal correctly vexing. Numerous directions, catching wrecking raps in the sections. I toss a lesson if profess. Line them up to test. Down below properties, they rest. I gas for spiritual, inhale and crush leaves. Downtown I used to watch the 5 roll down and bust thieves. Too many crime plots to infiltrate the crime watch. With local 5-0s and feds run up and down spots. I'm holding pistols over heads and fakes to blow them whistles. My illustrations captivate and then explode like missiles. With the connection that I got, my lyrical plots come back and lock down blocks. Realize my colleagues connect with the disarmor. The way I vex will cause an insane karma. Stay awake, wait.
From the outskirts, we and the devil bring the emotional out.